Welcome. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video from Nobility Vlogs. And today we're going to unbox this package from Nykaa. And as you can see, this is the Nykaa luxury store package. I love the black package and manifesting a lot of these coming as a PR to my home. So yeah, there's a marriage coming up, तो शादी आ रही है तो थोड़ा स्किन केयर और मेकअप तो चाहिए रहेगा, इसीलिए आई ऑर्डर्ड अ बंच ऑफ स्टफ. दो मैं कुछ ज्यादा यूज नहीं कर पा रही हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. Alright, so the first product that I got from Nykaa was this retinol short tightening booster. That's for firm skin. This is the packaging and it is like a super hype product right now. Everywhere you see this product is being used. So shiny. Nice. Alright, so this is being used everywhere and I saw a lot of good reviews about it, and my mother keeps telling me that because of stress and because of me not hydrating myself well and eating properly, I'm getting fine lines. I don't know whether you can see, I'm getting a lot of fine lines here and here. So like I was a little taken aback and I wanted to try this out. So I will put a detailed video about this product, but I did my research and I ordered this product. I started using it very recently. So this is for firm skin. It tightens and tones your skin, and it also helps with, it also works as like an anti-wrinkle and pore tightening cream. So this is how the tube looks, and you need to use a very tiny amount of it in the affected area. So I have just started using it near my mouth area and here as well. Okay, moving on to the second product. The second product I got is for my skincare. So I'm using this Plum niacinamide toner, and I keep restocking it because I use this every single day. It has helped with my acne. Don't go on this just happened because I did not eat well for 3-4 days straight and I had a lot of sugar does not suit me, and that's what's showing up. But this has helped me to reduce my acne a lot. I had pus acne all over my face, and since I have consulted my dermat and using the face wash and cream that she has given me and this toner, nothing has worked better. So I've never gone to any other toner since I've started using this. So I'm just restocking it all over again. Plus there was a sale going on Nykaa, so if I'm not using it now, I have ordered one extra for the future as well, because usually इतना discount नहीं आता, इस पे अच्छा discount मिल रहा था, इसलिए मैंने ले लिया. Alright, so this is that. Moving on to the third product that I got is this Color Bar Zoom and Whoosh mascara. I have been using this mascara for a while. This is how the packaging looks. I had the exact same mascara before, so it worked well with me, so I did not feel like changing it. I just restocked one more. The benefit of this mascara is if every day you're going out, you can just use this pink wala wand right here. Okay, it is a little new, so it's a little difficult. And if you're going to an event or you want more volume on your lashes, you can just use this mascara, the brown one here, and it's really good. It stays, it gives a lot of volume to the lashes. I can't even show you, but it gives a lot of volume to your lashes. So yeah, I like this mascara, so I've restocked. I've stopped experimenting too much with my skin, understanding that my skin does not support that. So जो भी मुझे एक बार सूट कर जाता है product, I keep ordering that. Now the third product, I ordered this from Bronson Professional, I think. I hope I'm not spelling it wrong. Please do send me your PRs and please do take me as a collaborator. But yeah, this is the Bronson Professional. I forgot the name. What is it? Makeup blender. Sorry, this is the this is the Bronson Professional makeup blender. I did use it for the makeup today, so you can see the foundation. But the best thing, it's very squishy. You just have to wet it a little bit. Use the damp. I'm just so lost. Use the damp beauty blender. It works amazing. It does not absorb a lot of product. And it's been working fine for me. Before this, I was using a very ओल्ड मेकअप ब्लेंडर प्लस आई डू नॉट रिमेम्बर, मैंने शायद कोई ब्रांडेड ब्लेंडर नहीं खरीदा था मैंने स्टार्टेड डूइंग द मेकअप, और मेरा स्किन थोड़ा अच्छा था तो करके मैं कुछ भी यूज कर लेती थी, लेकिन अभी दैट्स नॉट द केस, आई हैव टू यूज समथिंग नाइस सो दैट दिस डजंट गेट ट्रिगर्ड. So yeah, it does have a little bit of this slant cut. I don't know whether you could see it or not. Okay, it does have this slant cut here, slides. It's really good for your concealer. It just fits so perfectly and it gets to the edges as well. So really good. Very cute also and really good. So yeah, half of the products as I told you I have been using because मैंने अभी ऑर्डर नहीं किया था. It's been a little time, like I think 10-15 days से ऊपर हो गया है, and I've been using a few products. तो उसका पैकेजिंग सब फेंक दिया है. मैं बोला था मत फेंको, लेकिन then I was contemplating this video and I deleted the video. So my mom was like, please कचरा फेंको बाहर. So yeah, all right. The next product that I got was